Here is how to replace a flat tire with the spare. The necessary tools are stored in the compartment beneath the rear seat. Open the cover at the rear of the vehicle and insert the wheel lug wrench. Turn it anti-clockwise until the spare tire is resting on the ground. Then remove the mounting bracket to release it. Place wheel chocks in front of and behind the tire opposite the flat one. Loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by one turn each, moving in a diagonal sequence and turning them anti-clockwise. Locate the jack point beneath the vehicle. Align the jack with the jack point, then crank it to raise the vehicle. When replacing a front tire, remove the extension bar from the jack before use. Completely loosen the lug nuts and remove the front tire, then install the spare. Tighten the lug nuts clockwise, moving in a diagonal sequence. Hang the removed tire on the mounting bracket and secure it back to the vehicle.
Kia, movement that inspires.